Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we'll discuss what a board of governors is, and who makes up this important group. Let's get started. What is a board of governors? A board of governors is a group appointed or elected to oversee an organization's activities. They set strategic direction, ensure accountability, and provide oversight. Roles and responsibilities. Key responsibilities include strategic planning, setting long-term goals. Oversight, monitoring performance and compliance. Financial management, approving budgets. Executive hiring, hiring the CEO. Fundraising and advocacy, supporting fundraising efforts. Each member brings unique expertise to help the organization thrive. Who makes up the board of governors? A board typically includes internal members, senior executives or staff. External members, experts from outside the organization. Stakeholders, representatives like community leaders or major donors. External members provide valuable, unbiased perspectives. That's a quick overview of the board of governors. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching.